Hi everyone, how's it going? It's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. We have a guest, and it's my son Carson.
Hi.
Hi. So today we're doing Ipsy. And I remember I told you last month, maybe you didn't see that, but my last month's Ipsy was late. So then I got March's this month, and then I got April, but then my April bag is now lost. So then that one will be done in May, my other April one. So it's going to be Ipsy versus Ipsy, March versus April, Mom versus Son. Alright, so these are the bags. Come in a little bit. We want to see this cute face, right? Okay, so let's take out our bags and show them. I mean, everybody saw March, so this is March. And what do you think of that bag?
I love it.
How come?
I love lemons.
I think it's pretty cute too. So there is, I know in your bag there is something in here. Since I've already had this for a while. Oh no, sorry. There is some things in there. Those are my add-ons. Mine had an add-on. It was the Ofra highlighter, which is in now 1,000,000 pieces. I did email them. They do have another one that is sent. So hopefully I get that one soon, but oh well, whatever. And then the add-ons in my April bag. So I got the Bye-Bye under eye. Bye. But I ordered a light natural and they sent me a medium natural. So again, I had to email them. So I have all these bags coming again. But if you're a medium natural, let me know. I will send this out to you. Just comment down below. It's a little tiny bottle. Super tiny. Look at that. I mean, it's going to cost nothing to send, so let me know if you want that. So it's a medium natural. I tried like a little bit. It was just seriously too dark for my skin. Two more things. You're being patient. This is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. I don't know why. Oh, his face is problems here. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. I love watermelon stuff. And then this is the lip oil. This is like my third lip oil this month, and before I had never heard of them. What company? Oh, Jelly Bong Bong Cosmetics. Never heard of them. If I can block his face and my face. But it is, I already tried I looked at the add-ons already because they were floating in the bag. I thought, why not? But it's really weird. It's super red in the thing. But I just want to show you guys. And it smells delicious. But it kind of goes on like I have a very sheer lip balm on, so I thought that was really cool. So that was my other add-on, and I love. It feels so good, and it's not sticky at all. So let's get into the Ipsy bags. Do you want to go first and see what the first thing in there is?
Okay.
Okay.
So the first thing is, it's called the Moods.
If we block both our faces out. There we go.
And
by Laura Sanchez.
So
I think it
opens
there you go.
That, then it goes like that, then it's like a little...
It's green.
I love green.
Green is his favorite color, but I'm not sure it's mine in highlighter. It's our faces. There we go. I don't know if you can tell, but not sure if I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to swatch it. just because green, I'm not really, not my thing. Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is Skin Iceland Solutions for Stress Skin Limited Edition Berry Lip Fix with Wintered Green Algae. So let's block our faces. There we go. And it's a nice size bottle. And this one smells like berries too. It's so good. So I love lip balm. Love it, love it, love it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what's your thing?
So it's like a base tape.
It's like a base tape.
And
this is the company right here.
And the company is Tarte. It also says hydrating primer base hydrate.
Which a hydrating primer is awesome for my face. Just because instead of using moisturizer before, you can just use the Tarte. And it's a good size bottle, and I can see that it's all the way up to the top. So Tarte double duty, which is really cool. So that's cool. Mm-hmm. So is it my turn? You just won, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Ooh. This is by Chic Blush. I did get this in my other bag, right? I think. Sometimes it doesn't focus. Oh yeah, there we go. So this is a blush, and it's really good for a blush. Perfect for a blush. I love these.
So the next thing I'm gonna, the next thing is like a fan brush, and it also says B&B,
which is
B&B.
$1 billion brushes. Ooh, okay. Let's see this one.
Let's take this off. Ooh. So it feels very nice.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Love brushes. This is my second one in the collection. I have a Tarte one, but it's not as thick as this one. I don't know if you can see. It's actually got it's a nice thickness. So that feels good. So $1 billion brushes. Which they do $1 billion brows, I do believe. So and it feels really sturdy and nice. So yay, another brush. All right. My turn next. Okay. City Limits by IBY Beauty. And this one is in the shade... Not sure. Let's see.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, it's
look at this.
Adorable.
Look how adorable. Okay.
It's cute.
You can come back to the camera now. We want to see this face. How cute is he? So that's a color, and it is in Headliner. But this bottle is adorable. I would have loved this as a kid. It's so adorable. So, do I want to swatch this one? I do. I like the color. It's nice. I've never had IBY Beauty before, so... Oh, wow. Woohoo! It's like a gold type color, so that's really nice. Yay, so I like that.
So the next thing in the bag is a Apito T-O skincare.
Yep.
Staple range nourishing mask. Blue
Spirulina. So that's the bottle there, and it's a face mask, I do believe. It's extra dose of hydration that helps prevent signs of tightness and dullness. Yeah, because sometimes, after the shower, just before you get that tight, that's not good. Apparently that's not a good thing, so, didn't have much to a smell to it, so that's cool. I like face masks too.
Okay.
Okay. The Brazilian Boom Boom Cream.
Ooh.
Oh, I have mentioned this before because I did get it in my other bag. I do like the smell of this. It's just, I like the Coca Cabana one so much better, but this one was really good. It's not as hydrating as the other one either, but I do still like it. So I'm still happy to get the Sol de Janeiro stuff in my bag. Okay, what do you got? You seem excited about it.
It's called the Balm Jour.
Okay, so the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in
Gloss.
Namaste.
Ooh.
Hello, Namaste. Okay, let's see if we can see. Oh, you want to open it?
Ooh.
Oh.
Whoa.
Does it smell?
No, not too much of a smell to it.
Too much of a smell. That's the color. Get the faces out of there. There we go. That's really nice. That looks like something I would totally wear. Cool.
And
you want to show the whole bottle? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look at this. It's hilarious. Oh, there we go. I think it focused. Cool. That's a really nice size bottle too, so. Cool. Alright, last but not least, Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. Detoxify and brighten. Did I get this already in my last bag? I can't remember.
I don't know.
I don't know either. But that's supposed to be a really good face mask too, so let's see if I can. There we go, Sand and Sky. And this one was it doesn't say, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm excited to use that one. Do you have anything left?
No.
Just the cards.
Yeah,
just the cards. Last month was National History Month, and that's what that one is. And it says nothing. Weird.
Oh.
And
That's
I love
it.
like the inside of this. Like,
oh yeah.
How adorable is that? Do you like that?
I want
It's almost
this.
like he wants it.
It has a little bit
want
of
to give it up.
I love it because it kind of has a scent to it, like on the cover.
Maybe. Okay, so what bag do you like better?
This one.
The lemon bag. I like the bag better. I think between the two of them, I don't know. They were both actually had very similar products, lip stuff. See how you can see yourself in the. Bring yourself down. There we go. There we go. So anyways, I don't know who won. I think for bag wise, I think April kind of hit it out of the park. I really thought that was kind of cute. And yeah, so this was the episode of Mom versus Son. And we had fun. We had fun, yeah. Carson, he's so wanted to be in a video. He loves makeup and loves all that kind of stuff. Right?
I mostly like doing the hair.
And he does my hair all the time. It's kind of cute.
And I usually do her nails
He even looks up videos how to do like braiding and stuff like that. I don't have any girls.
I don't have any sisters.
Yeah, so, oh well, whatever. Boys can do it too, right?
I'm getting pretty good at braiding her hair now.
Yeah, he is. He's getting pretty good at it. We should do an episode of that. You braiding my hair? Teach somebody how to do it?
I don't know.
Maybe. We'll see.
Maybe.
Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining and putting up with us today. So, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I forgot to say in the beginning, like, subscribe. What else? What's the last thing?
Hit the notifications bell.
Yeah, and leave a comment because we both like reading them, right? He tries to read them all the time, so he likes reading them. Okay, guys, we'll see you later, and thanks for joining us. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.